Alright, well, it's time for a truck update. Show you what's going on. Boom. Got myself a new toolbox. It's a Cobalt brand, and as you can see, obviously, it does not sit in the bed rails. It sits within the bed, and the reason for that is because unless I put a notch in another box to accommodate the stack, there would have been no way to alleviate the gap that you get, where the box has to sit here and then hangs down to here, and then you have this gap between the box and the bed, or sorry, the box and the cab, and I just thought that looked very silly, so I didn't do that. So this is a nice, it's got locks and everything, and see, I think I gotta like grease the latches or something. I don't know. It's the first locking box I've ever had. There we go. Now that side's open. Now I go back over to this side. And there's that. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice little box. I just got 4 self-tapping screws holding it down right now. So I'm happy with that. I like the way it looks. Nice and clean. My bed's pretty clean, relatively speaking. Still got some more crap I gotta get out of it. So there's that. And show you guys what was in the teaser video. Steel, yeah. There you go. It's a Grover air horn off a Mack truck. So this is going to be powered by this little 12-volt compressor. I'm going to have all kinds of onboard air and different things like that in the toolbox, doohickey. And now I guess we'll do a cold start. It rained last night and this morning, so I know people were asking me about what happens with the stack when it rains. Well, I'll show you. Full plugs. We'll do high idle on this one too.